Welcome, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number into a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. First of all, open your phone application. Then, on the top right corner, we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose Settings. Here go into Block Numbers option. And here we got 2 block numbers. So for unlocking, for example, this last one, click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it, we got success message that this number was unblocked. So let's try it again. This number, and click here on the right side to cross, to unblock, and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.